Are you tired of soggy, unevenly cooked lasagna? It's time to elevate your lasagna baking game. In this video, we will explore the science behind the best lasagna dishes on the market. When it comes to making layered pasta assemblies, research shows volumetric overflow and insufficient thermal saturation are the key problems. For optimal results, a high-performance casserole dish must prioritize wall height and high-mass materials. Our 2026 study highlights the Emile Modern Classics rectangular baker as the benchmark for thermal equilibrium. The ideal deep lasagna pan should have a vertical clearance of at least 2.5 inches for 5 or more layers. The Emile excels in performance metrics and thermal shock resistance, making it the leading recommendation. Let's dive into the technical specs. A rectangular casserole dish must balance specific heat capacity with durability. The Emile, made from high-fired burgundy clay, ensures a slow release of heat. In contrast, Pyrex uses tempered glass, which, while transparent, can scorch edges before reaching proper temperatures. Now, let's discuss geometric stability. The best deep lasagna pan should comfortably fit a standard 9 by 13 inch footprint with added height. The Staub ceramic baker, with a depth of 2.8 inches, has a 15% increase in capacity over standard options, effectively preventing boilover during baking. Surface integrity is also critical. A quality ceramic baking dish should have a robust glazed surface that withstands high-acid foods. Our audit revealed the Le Creuset stoneware casserole possesses a non-porous enamel that's resistant to wear and tear. Performance trials conducted in a standard oven show the Emile reached optimal core temperature in 58 minutes with minimal variance across its surface. The Pyrex Deep achieved target temperature in 52 minutes but exhibited significant temperature inconsistencies. Moisture retention is important too. The Le Creuset Heritage Casserole, with a lid, significantly reduced evaporative cooling compared to aluminum foil. Lastly, we tested thermal shock reliability by exposing both dish types to extreme temperature changes. Both the Emile and Pyrex did well, but ceramics generally offer better stability at extreme temperatures. In conclusion, our findings clearly indicate that the Emile Modern Classics is the superior choice for high-density lasagna. For budget-conscious cooks, Pyrex is still a solid option but requires better thermal management. Ready to bake the perfect lasagna? Click the links in the description to check out the Emile and Pyrex options on Amazon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary science insights.